Kumar, why not? Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay, to come to check, yeah?
Yeah, you can come and you can check, no problem. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Shabab, this is given. The set point is 40%. At 2 minutes, this is the graph for PV. At 2 minutes, all of a sudden the PV becomes 60%. Right, Shabab? AC is 2. Integral time is 10 minutes. Repeat. Action is direct. Find the output and draw it. Yes, Shiva. So how we should start? Find the error first. Very good. So first of all, we need to find the error. Very good. Because the error is not given. We need to find the error. Yes, Shiva. From 0 to 2, what is error? This error, Shiva.
20.
Very good. Lot of others they are writing 0. 0 to, because 0 to 2, it is 40%. Set point 40%. PV is also 40%. So error is 0. That's good. At 2, what happens? What is error at 2? 60 minus 40? 20%. Very good. Like this. 20%. This is the error. Right, Shabab? Any question up to here, Shabab? How many parts this curve has, Shabab? How many parts of this curve? Lot of brothers they are writing 2. That's good. Yes. You have any question? Please ask. So this curve has 2 parts. Okay. That's good. So what is first part, Shabab? Tell me, please.
Greater than 2, 0.
Less than equal to 2 and greater than equal to 0 minutes. You are with me? You are with me? Whatever they are writing, yes, that's good. And the second part is greater than equal to 2 minutes.
Teacher,
Yes.
can you repeat, teacher, for the diagram number 2, teacher?
Which diagram?
Number 2, teacher.
Number 2.
This when you make the error 0 to 1.
Yes, 0 to 1. See here. 0 to 1. What is PV?
PV 20.
Where is 20 PV? What is PV 0 to 1? What a brother, they are writing 40. Where is 20? This is 40, this is 60, there is no 20. This
Yes,
dotted
yes.
line does not have any value. It is just reference. Get my point? This dotted line is just reference. It does not have any value. It is just the solid line has the value. With me, brother?
Yes.
No, come here back. So what is error here? For T 0 to 2, what is error, Shabab?
0%.
Very good. What a brother they are writing? How much error?
0.
40%? 0. Lot of brother, some brother are writing 40, some brother are writing 20. Shabab, this one. 0 to 2, see the 2. This is 0. 0 to 2, what is error? 0. And what is error here? 20%. That's good. Brother Hassan, why you are writing 40? How do you are saying 40? Is ask how you are getting the 40. And Brother Hassan, he just wrote the 40. Brother Hassan, 40 is not 40. See here. It is 20. Maybe you cannot see it. Can you see it? Jawab, it is clear for everybody? Yes, that's good. Lot of brothers are saying yes. 60 minus 40, 20. Any question up to here, Shabab? Please ask. If you have any question up to here, please ask. Okay, that's good. Lot of brothers are writing no. Okay, what is first step always? What is first step always, Shabab? MP, that's good. Very good. Lot of brothers are writing MP. MP is equal to what, Shabab?
ACE
Please tell me.
ACE
Very good.
plus
ACE plus
MR.
MR. Very good. So how much is KC, Shabab, here? What is KC?
2.
2. Very good. 2. How much error? 0. What is MR? MR is 20%. Let me write it. MR is equal to 20%. So output is 20%. Right, Shabab? That's good. Lot of brother writing. Okay, what is first step here? MP is equal to how much KC, Shabab?
Multiply 20
Multiply by 20.
plus 20. 60.
60%. Very good. Lot of brothers are writing 60%. Very good, Shabab. Very good. Second step always.
GI.
This is integral action. See, the integral time is there. 10 minutes per repeat. See this one.
Okay, fine. Okay.
So what is MI, Shabab?
TI
Very good. KC,
divided by TI.
TI, very good.
Integration of EDT.
T1 to T2, E, dt. What is KC here, Shabab? 2, very good. TI how much?
10.
Very good. T1, 0 to 2, 0 to 2, error 0. So as soon as error 0, it becomes 0. What with me? That's good. So here, second part this side. Yes, Shabab. Mi is equal to KC how much? 2 over 10.
T to 2.
2 to there is 20 dt. So this will cancel with this one. 4 t minus 2%. Draw with me. And that's good. So third step always. MPI, MP plus MI. How much, Shabab?
20%.
20, 0. 20%. Third step here always. MPI, MP 60 plus 40 minus 2. How much, Shabab? 60 plus 40 minus 8. So 40 plus
52.
52. Very good. Percentage. Any question up to here, Shabab? No, we need to draw it. That's good. They are writing. Okay, now we need to draw it, Shabab. Let's draw it. So output is here. Zero to two. How much is the output, Shabab? What is output from 0 to 2? 20%. Constant. 20% constant. So this is the output. 20%. Now come this side. Say M. So M at how much? 4 plus 52. How much above? 60%. Very good. And M of what is second point?
12.
12. 4 into 12. How much above?
48 plus 52. 100.
Right, Shabab? So at 2, it becomes 60. So we make a line here 60% and we raise it. Then at 12, this is 0, this is 2. Imagine here it is 12. This 12. So we will make it up to 12, 100, and it will go like this. You are with me? That's good. Lot of brothers, they are writing yes. Okay, Shabab. If it goes more than 100, then what happens? Imagine here we get more than 100. We get 120. So then what we do?
Make the equation and equal 100.
That's good. Very good. So then what we do? We apply this equation and we find where it happens 100. Right? We find the time, and after it becomes 100, we make the saturated straight line. So like if somebody asks us make another repeat, so what we will do? Other repeat will be where, Shabab? Yeah, a lot of brothers are writing at 22 minutes. Yes. 12 plus 22. Somewhere here 22. Imagine this is 22 here. 22. So now what we will do? We will make it straight line like this. Right, Shabab? Now it will not increase. So my suggestion, always keep just one repeat. So if it is increasing from 1, it is becoming here, like here it becomes 120, 130, 140. So we will find where it becomes 100. After that, we make it a saturated straight line. Any question up to here, Shabab? Shabab, any question up to here? Okay, that's good. Lot of brothers, they are writing no. Okay. Now, I have some questions for you guys. Tell me the output, we need the output at t is equal to 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute. Yashiba, what is output at 1 minute?
$20.
20, that's good. Lot of others are writing 20. That's good. So 1 minute means somewhere here. So it is 20. Yes. What is output at 2?
50.
I am saying no, it is 20. It is also 20, at 2 it is also 20.
Well, it's 20 and also it's 60.
You need to tell from 20 it is increasing towards 40 to 60. You are with me? You need to tell from 20 at 2 minutes it is going from 20 to 60. Right, Shabab? You are with me? That's good. That's good. Lot of brothers, they are writing yes. So at 2 minutes, it is very critical. It is increasing from 20 to 60. Okay. At 3 minutes, what is the output? At 3
Maybe
minutes.
from 60 to 100.
See here. What was the equation for the output for this portion? For this portion, what is the equation, Shubha? Please tell me the equation.
40 plus
What was the equation?
40 plus
40 plus 52. That's very good. Now we are saying at 3. So put the 3 here. 4 into 3 plus 52. How much?
64.
How much, Shubha? That's good. 64%. That's good. Like this. Some brother were showing before. That's good. If you have done it already, very good. Any question up to here, Shubha? So that's good. Lot of brothers they are saying no question. So if we draw the curve, we draw the output, we can find a lot of any time we can find the output. Any question up to here, Shabab? Any question up to here? Please ask. Yes, Shabab, please ask any question up to here. Some brother has any question, Shabab? Brother with me? That's good. A lot of brothers they are writing yes. Shabab, please talk. Somebody also talk.
Sure.
That's good. That's good. Okay. So now imagine this graph is given. PV error output is given, and we need to find KC. We need to find TI. We need to find the action is MR. We need to find action is direct or reverse. We need to find all these things. Imagine the thing is given. Imagine this is not given, and this graph is given. Can we find all these things?
yes.
Yes, we can find. Yes, a lot of brothers they are writing yes. Okay, how are we gonna find the KC? How we find the KC?
The output over the error.
Okay, output over error. Yes, Shabab. So how much output over error? How are we gonna find it, Shabab? Please tell. See here, this is the error. If you check this portion, this is here 0, right? So here we are not very accurate here. So this portion we are more accurate. So output is, what is the change in the output? 100 minus 60. 100 minus 60. Right, Shabab? That is 40. And what is the change in the error? 60 minus 40. 20. So how much? 2. Right, Shabab? See here. This is from here to here integral action, right? 100 minus 60. How much? How much 100 minus 60, Shabab? 40. Right? And what is change in error? 20. So 40 divided by 20, how much? 2. That's what is the KC. How we find the TI? How do we find the TI, Shabab?
TI is the amount of the jump from at that time. 2.
12 minus 2. 12 minus 2, see here. This is 12, this is 2. So that is what? 12 minus 2, 10 minutes. I repeat. Ashaba, how we find the MR? How we find the MR? What is MR here?
We have output error, so we can get MR now. Yes.
See here, error is starting at 0, right? And output is starting at 20. If error is starting at 0, output should start. Output must start at 0, right? So because the output is not starting from 0, so whatever value it has been raised, that is MR. This is MR, this one. So 20 minus 0 is MR. 20. Once again, Shabab, please pay attention. The error is starting from where? Error is starting from 0, right? If error is starting from 0, output must start from 0. But output is starting from 20. So it means 20 has been added in the output. So what is MR? 20. Work with me. That's good. Lot of brothers they are writing. Yes, I don't know. Today the brothers are not talking. I don't know why, but they are writing. Okay. How we gonna find the action is direct or reverse? What is the way to find the action is direct or reverse, Shabab?
By the graph, by the error and the out graph. If it is opposite side, so it is in reverse.
Now see here, see here. The PV and SP is given, right? You are also correct. We can find from error and the output. If the error and output are both increasing, it is direct action. But imagine before without output, this is the PV graph. This error. So PV is bigger than the set point and error is positive. It means it is direct action. If PV is bigger than the set point and error is negative, then it is reverse action. So here it is direct action. Once again, Shabab, see error is positive. PV is bigger than the, what is PV here? 60%. What is SP? 40%. So PV is 60%, error is, the set point is 40%. That error is 20, positive. So it means action is direct. So you can say 60 minus 40, so PV minus SP. So it means action is direct. You remember, you guys remember. Direct action, what is error, Shabab? PV minus SP. Direct action. So here, if the error is positive, PV is bigger, SP is smaller, error is positive, it means direct action. Follow with me? Okay, that's good. A lot of brothers are writing yes. Any question up to here, Shabab?
Share about MR.
Yeah.
It's better to use the equation of KC plus MR.
You can my question, no problem. But again, that will consume more time. Here it is very easy. You remember when we were discussing the MR, first you draw the output without MR, then we add the MR and it takes the whole output up. Remember that? Okay, now come here. Error is starting from where? Error is starting from where? From 0, right? If there is no MR, output should start from where?
0.
0, but it is starting from 20.
Yes.
Right? So what does it? See here, M is equal to KCE plus MR, right? No, there is no MR. So error is 0. What would be the output? 0. or false?
True.
Okay, no. So MR, whatever it is raised, that is MR. Otherwise, it is 0, right?
Yes, that's it. To make sure that confused or something like that.
So now you get the point.
Yes, yes.
Okay, that's good. So it is raised to 20. So it is MR is 20%. That's it. Yes, brother. Any other brother has question? Please ask. Yes, Shabab. Okay, that's good. Lot of brothers they are writing no. So on the plant, Shabab, when you're gonna work inshallah in the field, from the waveforms you're gonna find the value. From the waveform you're gonna find the KC, TI, MR, action is direct or reverse. All these information you're gonna get from the waveforms. So that's why we are bringing like this. Any question up to here, Shabab? Okay, let me write another.
Teacher,
Yes, please. Yes.
is this new recent teacher or like I think it's like midterm practical exam.
Sorry.
I think we had like this recent teacher before midterm.
Sorry, I could not get what you are saying. Please repeat.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes, yeah, now it is clear. Yes.
Okay. This is a question, teacher. I think we had take this question midterm practical exam.
Similar, maybe. Yes. Similar. Yes.
Similar. I know, teacher.
Yes. Yes. Okay, Shabab. Let's
Teacher,
do another question, and then we will start the derivative action, inshallah. So let's do another question.
teacher,
Yes.
the new okay, teacher. After
Yes,
that,
please.
after can you, teacher, give us a new example to study or to understand more? Teacher?
Sorry.
Can you give us more example to understand more, teacher?
Yes. Yes. That's what I'm solving. We will solve another example, inshallah. Yes. Yes. I'm writing another example. Okay, Shabab. This is another example. This our brother is saying solve more example, and inshallah we'll solve more example. No problem. So here again, this is PV curve is given, Shabab. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4. It was before. It was 55 set point, and it raises to 65%. Right, Shabab? AC is 1.5. AC is 1.5. Reset TI is 7 minutes. Action is direct. Find MP and draw. Find MI and draw. And then find M and draw.
So is it
Sorry?
5 parts?
Minutes per repeat. Just thank you. One brother he asked me to correct. Yes. Yes, brother, what you are saying?
Is it 5 parts?
Sorry?
Part. Is it 5?
No. Still we are not discussing the part. Go step by step. Step by step, Shabab. Okay, Shabab, we need to draw. What is the first step we need to do?
The error.
Find the error. Very good. Okay, Shabab, from 0 to 1, what is the error?
0.
0. From 0 to 1, error is 0. At 1, what is the error?
10.
Yes, Shabab, what is the error?
10.
Huh?
65.
This is set point is 55. 65 minus 55, how much? Got a brother, no writing 10. 10. See once again. This is 65 minus 55. 10. Shabab with me? That's good. Lot of brothers they are writing yes. That's good. Okay, Shabab. Now this brother question he just asked me. How many parts this curve has? Yes, Shabab. How many parts this curve has? Brother Ali is writing 5. Any other brother? How many parts this curve has? That's why I bring this question, Shabab. Very good. Brother Abdullah Khaldi is writing 2. Some brothers writing 4. Yeah, no brother Ali is writing 2. That's good. No brother Ali, mashallah, understand. This curve has 2 parts just. Don't go by these numbers, no problem. Time and change. Time and change. So from 0 to 1, what is the error? From 0 to 1, error is 0. After 1, error is 10. And it is not changing. It is not changing at all after 10. After 1 minute, it keeps 10. So that's it. Bob, with me? So how many parts this curve has? 2 parts. Right, Shabab? So what is the first one? T is less than equal to how much? Shabab, please tell me. 1 and greater than equal to 0. That's good. Lot of brothers they are writing. And this side is greater than equal to 1. That's good. Okay, Shabab. What is error here?
0.
0%. That's good. What is error here?
10.
10. Very good. 10%. Shabab, what is the first step always?
MP.
MP. Very good. MP is equal to how much? MP is equal to what, Shabab?
KC multiply error plus MR.
KC error plus MR. Very good. How much KC? KC how much?
1/2.
1.5. That's good. What is error? 0. What is MR?
Is
How
not
much is
given.
MR?
teacher.
Yeah, it is given here. I forgot to write. 20%. MR 20%. How much, Shabab?
20.
20%. That's good. Okay, Shabab. Same here. KC how much?
1/2.
1.5.
1.5. Error 10. MR 20. How much?
25.
25?
25%. Second step always.
35.
MI. How much MI, Shabab?
KC divide T1. I think.
Thank you very much. Lot of people they are writing 35. Yeah, this is 35. Before it was not correct. So this is Shiva 35. Mi is equal to Kc over Ti integral d dt. T1 to T2. How much Kc, Shiva? Kc is how much?
1.5.
1.5. Very good. Ti how much?
7.
7. Very good. Integral of 0 to 1. Error is how much?
0 error.
0. As soon as it is 0, 0. You are with me? Shiva with me? That's good. Lot of
Yes,
brothers
yes,
are
teacher.
writing. Okay, see 1.5 over 7, 10, 1 to t dt. You are with me? That's good. 15 by 7, t minus 1%. Right, Shiva? Any question up to here, Shiva? Okay, that's good. So step 3 all the time. MPI, MP 20, MI 0, so 20. Right, Shiva? Third step here. MPI, how much MP? 35 plus 15 over 7, t minus 1. How much, Shiva? 15 by 7, how much? 2.14. This brother Ali is telling 2.14. T minus plus 35 minus 2.14. How much about? 2.14 T.
32.85, teacher.
How much?
32.85.
2.85. Lot of brothers they are writing. Shiva, please confirm. Please confirm everything because whatever the brothers are telling, I'm just noting. So you please confirm. Now come here, Shiva. Now we need to draw. So first we need to draw MP. MP. Proportional output first we need to draw. Right, Shabab? So what is MP? From 0 to 1, what is MP, Shabab? This is, we are drawing MP.
20.
MP. 20, constant. Very good. So, 20 here. And more than 1, it is how much? 35. That's good. So, here we will make a line 35. We raise it and it will go like this. Right, Shabab? Any question up to here, Shabab? Any brother has any question? That's good. Lot of brothers they are writing no. Okay. Then we need to draw MI. So we need to draw MI. Okay, Shabab. MI. From 0 to 1, what is MI, Shabab? 0. More than 1, what is MI? What is MI here, Shabab? That is fine. MI at 1, how much? 15 by 7, 1 minus 1. How much, Shabab? 0. That's good. And MI at what is the second point? What is the second point?
1 plus 7.
7. 7 plus 1, 8. So at 8, how much it is? 15 by 7, 8 minus 1, how much?
$15.
15. That's good. Come back here. So at 0 to 1 it is 1, and then at 8, imagine this is 8. This is 8. So it becomes how much? 15. Like this. Right, Shabab? Any question up here, Shabab? Yes, brothers, any question up to here? Please ask. You are with me? Okay, a lot of brothers now writing no question. Okay, no problem. So let's now complete output M. Now we are going to draw M, Shabab. We are going to draw M. From 0 to 1, what is M, Shabab? From 0 to 1, what is M? 20. Lot of brothers writing 20. Very good. So it is 20. So imagine this line is 20%. Okay. At 1, how much it is? Say this is M. So M at 1. How much, Shabab? 35 plus 15 over 7. 1 minus 1. How much? How much, Shabab? 35. That's good. Lot of brothers writing 35%. Okay. M at 8. At 8, how much? 35 plus 15 by 7. 8 minus 1. How much, Shabab? 50. Lot of brothers writing 50. That's good. 50%. That's good. Come back here. So it raises to 35 here. 35. It goes to 35, and then at 8 it becomes 50. So we put this dotted line, take it to 8, and connect this one here. 50. Any question up to here, Shabab? Any question up to here? That's good. Lot of brothers, they are saying no. Okay, no problem. So, is it necessary to draw the output from the mathematics? No. We can draw the output from here also. This final output, we can draw from here. We can add MP and MI, and we can bring it. So see here. From 0 to 1, how much MP, Shabab? 20. That's good. 20. So here 20. 20. And what is MI? What is MI from 0 to 1? 0. So 20 plus 0, 20. That is 20 here. See here. It is 20. Right, Shabab? You are with me? A lot of brothers, they are writing yes. Brother also talk. Talk, brother, talk. Okay.
Teacher, I have
Yes.
if
Yeah,
the MBI teacher, if MBI more than 100, what should I do?
That's again that will do separate. Right now, answer my question. From 0 to 1, what is MP?
01
From 0 to 1, what is MP? 20, right?
0
And what is MI? 0.
0.
So 20 plus 0, 20. The total output is 20, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. At 1, what is output? 35, right? What is MI? 0. 35 plus 0, 35. See here it is coming 35. That's good. Lot of brothers are
Yeah.
adding 35. Okay, at 8. Now at 8, what is MP at 8? What is MP at 8, Shabab? At 8 minutes, what is MP? 35. That's good. Lot of brothers are adding 35. And what is MI? 15. What is MI? What is MI, Shabab, at 8 minutes? 15. Very good. So 15 plus 35, how much? 50. That's it. 50 is there. That's good. A lot of brothers are adding 50. So what is the bottom line? If we already have drawn MP, we already have drawn MI, we can add them directly and we can bring total output MP plus MI. Follow with me? That's good. A lot of brothers they are writing yes. Any question? So please ask any question. If you have any question, any confusion, please ask. Yes, brother. Is there any question? Please ask. Now the one brother was asking if it goes more than 100, then what we do? Luckily, here it is not going more than 100. If it is going more than 100, then we will put this equation or this equation equal to 100 and we'll find the T. That time it becomes 100. After that it becomes saturate, straight line. You are with me? Brother, you are with me?
Yes, teacher, with you.
Yes, yes,
we are
teacher.
with you, teacher.
Okay, that's good. Which brother asked this question? If it become 100, he's with me.
I am.
Okay, now again let me tell you again. Imagine here it is not going, it is 50. Imagine it is going more than 100, right?
Yes.
Now, if it is going more than 100, we need to find that time when it becomes 100. So what we will do, we will take this equation and we put this equation equal to 100 and we find the time. Up to that time, it is increasing like this. Like this. After that time, it becomes straight line like this. So because then it becomes saturated,
Yeah.
it cannot go more than 100. You get my answer, Shabab?
Yes, teacher, I get it. Only I get
Whether
it.
you get my answer?
I get it.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Hey, Shabab, any other brother has any question, please ask.
Thank you.
Okay, Shabab, now the same thing. We need to find all these parameters. We need to find KC, TI, action MR, action is direct or reverse. All these things we need to find from these graphs. So which one is the easiest one to find?
Direct or reverse at first?
Something easier than that? What about TI? What is TI?
One.
That's it. So this is the easiest, right? 8 minus 1, 7 minutes per repeat. Okay. Then, what is next?
MR.
MR. How much MR?
20, teacher.
The error is 0. It is starting from 20. So it means 20. Very good. 20%. What is next? That's very good. Lot of brothers are writing 20%. What is next, Shabab? Yeah, how we know it is direct? How do we know that?
Output is positive. Either
You can see from error and output both are increasing. it means direct. You can see from here, PV is bigger than the set point and error is positive. It means direct, right? PV, see the PV is bigger than the set point and error is positive. So it means it is direct action. You are with me? Okay, how are we going to find the KC? How are we going to find the KC?
The formula, I guess, over error.
The output over error. So how much is the output? Here, 15 divided by 10. That's good. Lot of brothers they are writing. So everything we can find from the waves. Right, Shabab? Any question up to here, Shabab? Some brother is writing how TD is 7. It is not TD, TI. TI. Integral time. See here. 8 minus 1. It is 1. 8 minus 1. 7. Any other question, Shabab? Please ask.
What about KC, teacher?
KC. Yeah, Shabab, how we find the KC? How we find the KC? Yes, KC, how we find the KC, Shabab?
Over
So how much is the output?
15.
15. 15 minus 0. See here, this one. 15 minus 0. Over error, how much error here?
10.
1.5. There are a lot of other ways you can find. You can find a lot of other ways. Subtract the MR from here. So it will go down 20. Right? So it will be 30. So 30 and it will be what? This one divided by error again you can find. So either here, wherever you want. Right? That's about. Same you can find here. Subtract the MR. MR is 20. So it will be what? 15. 15 by 10. Again 1.5. So a lot of places you can find the KC. You are with me? That's good. Lot of brothers there side writing yes. Again, Shabab, if you have any question, please ask. So KC you can find no problem. Now what is my suggestion? You solve all the problems as much as possible. Clear your doubts. If you have any question, you can send me email. You can ask me in the lab, wherever you like. So this is integral action. Right, Shabab? Inshallah, coming week we're gonna start the derivative action. We have one last point about this one. Then we will inshallah leave. So we need to find outputs. We need to find M, MP, MI at time. Time is 0.5 minutes, 1 minute, 3 minutes. Yes, Shabab. What is M at 0.5 minute? M at 0.5 minute is what? Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing 20. Shabab, please participate. Please tell me. This is the 0.5 here. So how much M? 20. That's good. What is MP? What is MP? At 0.5, what is MP?
35.
MP.
35.
20. 35 is just dotted
Zero.
line. It doesn't have any value. 20. What is MI? What is MI? 0. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing 0. That's good. Okay, Shabab. At 1 minute. At 1 minute, what is MI?
5.
Increasing from 20 to 35.
Very good, very good, very good. Increasing from 20 to 35. Very good. What is MPE?
Increase to 20 to 35.
Very good. Increasing from 20 to 35. What is MI? Zero. Very
Also
good. MI is
increase to
0. Okay, at 3.
But teacher
At 3
increase.
minutes. Somewhere here. How much M? You remember the equation? You get MPI, right?
Equation, teacher.
In the equation, some brother writing 50. Confirm it is 50 or not. So what you want? But it cannot be 50. It should be lower than 50. 50 is at 8. At 3, how much about? Somebody can tell me the equation, Shabab?
40,
Please tell me the equation.
38 or 40, something like that.
Tell me the equation, please.
40, teacher.
Shabab, please tell me the equation.
Teacher.
Please tell me the equation, please.
Y minus Y, teacher.
No, teacher.
We got a equation here. Yes. 2.40 plus. Hey, brother Ali, please tell me again. 2.4T plus 32.5. Like this. Is it correct, Shabab?
I think.
That's good. Okay. He's saying yes. Okay. Now we are saying T is 3. So 2.4 into 3 plus 32.5. How much, Shabab?
39.7.
How much?
39.7.
39.7 approximately, Shabab. So here 39.7. How much MP? At 3, how much MP? How much MP, Shabab? At 3.
35.
35. Very good. 35.
55.
And MI? This is MI. How much MI? Again, we need to calculate from the equation. What was the equation for MI? For MI, what is the equation, Shabab? What is the equation for MI?
Teacher, can you hear me?
Yes, please.
15 divided by 7.
15 divided
T minus 1.
T minus 1. Like this. That's good. So put the T here. How much we are putting the T? 3. 3 minus 1. So 30 by 7. Approximately 4.3. So whichever point is there, Shabab, everybody confirm these numbers. Please confirm these numbers by yourself. At the bottom line, we can find output at any given point. Whichever point is given, we can find the output. Try with me. Try with me. That's good. Lot of brothers they are writing yes. Okay, Shabab. So what is now my suggestion? All the brothers they repeat all these questions. We have lot of questions in our book. So please solve those questions and make yourself perfect, inshallah. And inshallah, coming week again we will start the derivative action and we will explain and we will do the other problems also. Up to here, any questions, Shabab? Any brother has any question? Okay, that's good. Lot of brothers they are writing no. Okay, that's good, Shabab. That's good.